Omo Téñsiøn. Lawmakers escape through underground channels over fear of protests as protesters set National Assembly on fire. National Assembly has been set on fire. Well, I am not surprised getting this very information because to be forewarned, they say, is to be forearmed. Where did this happen? You will be shocked to know where this happened. And where it happened to be in an African country of which everybody is actually is very surprised about. Oh, okay. Now make we no shout too much. My people, make we just quickly go straight to the content and then let us know what the truth actually is on the matter. All right. This is today's news. Violent clashes erupted in Nairobi, Kenya, on Tuesday as protest over controversial finance bill reaches a critical point. The bill has caused widespread public outrage since last week, fueling the unrest that unfolded in the capital city. According to a report by the CNN, tension escalated outside the National Assembly building, where police resorted to using live rounds against the demonstrators. Shockingly, two lifeless bodies lay on the ground, serving as a grim testament to the increasing dangerous situation. The protest grew in intensity as the demonstrators managed to breach the parliament perimeter, forcefully entering the assembly grounds. Chaos ensued inside the building, with protesters vandalizing properties, tearing flags, overturning furniture, and even stealing the ceremonial mace, which symbolize parliamentary authority. Meanwhile, a section of the parliament's fence was set ablaze, further adding to the overall chaotic scene witnessed throughout the day. Lawmakers who were present during the unrest narrowly escaped by using an underground tunnel, as revealed by NTV Kenya. The details highlight the severity of the situation and the urgency with which the legislators needed to ensure their safety. As it is, my dear listeners, is happening tough in Kenya. And as it's happening in Kenya, so it is about to happen in Nigeria. In fact, Nigeria own only God know how it could be. But Kenya don't give us clue of waiting won't happen. Okay, my dear listeners out there, una dey hear also. This protest no be only for Nigeria, e dey happen. Oh. It's also happening live in other African countries, most especially in Kenya. In fact, Nigerian government are begging us that that Nigerians own should not um, um, just uh, be like that of Kenya because according to them, they said Kenya violence or protest was very bloody. If una no say una no wan make it be like Kenya own, then make una do the needful. I want to things I talk. Na so. All right, my dear listeners, make una short. Let's quickly just go straight to the content and let's get your opinions and your ideas on what already has just been reviewed. It's been wonderful having you once again. All right, so all right, don't forget, my dear listener, don't forget to leave your videos Thank you.